Once upon a time in the enchanted land of Harmony Hills, there lived a curious little squirrel named Squeaky. Squeaky loved exploring the vast forest, but he was notorious for gossiping about his fellow woodland creatures. One day, a wise old owl named Oliver noticed Squeaky's chatter and decided to teach him a valuable lesson. Oliver gathered all the animals and placed a single feather on the ground. "As light as feathers," he explained. "But once spoken, each time you gossip, to retrieve, pluck a feather and place it back." Squeaky began gossiping less. Words can be. However, he couldn't resist sharing a secret about how fast Rabbit could run. The moment he uttered the words, a strong gust scattered the feathers far and wide. The wise owl commended his sincerity. Squeaky apologized to Rabbit, may fly away, vowing to mend but lessons learned stay. Choose your words wisely, and friendship will forever sway. From that day forward,